People have been thrown out of their jobs. Monks have been expelled. It created almost like a situation of refugees amongst refugees.
Changing mind only through compassion or education, not by force.
Anyone who's against the Dalai Lama must be opposed without hesitation with men, money, and possession by all means, including violence.
Respect and listen their interest and tell them our interest and try to find mutually agreeable solution. That's the only way.
The Dalai Lama accuses Shugden of being a devil.
A few weeks after the Dalai Lama's speech, Shugden monks could no longer enter monastery.
Fanatical followers of the Dalai Lama tried to burn down this family's house. About 100 people attacked us. Every time I go to work, I'm scared they will kill my child.
I say, when I'm refusing all these things, why you are taking again and again?
Choosing to worship this idol, a demonic spirit, contrary to Buddhism, according to the Dalai Lama.
We're not violating his teachings. We're thrown out everywhere just for our religion.
It's an act of blatant religious persecution.
So long human being there, human intelligence there, different interests, different views, always there. There is no other alternative, only through dogma. That's the wisdom side. Then respect others' interests, genuine sense of concern of others' well-being. That's the basis. Respect the other who have different view.